Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BI-ready tables with Looker data tests, full guide step by step clearly. To verify BI-ready tables with Looker data tests, start by accessing your Looker instance. Identify the BI-ready tables that require verification. Navigate to the LookML model associated with these tables. Open the LookML file where the table is defined. Locate the relevant view for your target table. Review the existing dimensions and measures to understand the data structure. Create a new test by adding a data test block within the view. Define the test using Looker's testing syntax. Specify the conditions that the data must meet for the test to pass. Include assertions that describe what valid data looks like. Name your test to clearly indicate its purpose. Save your changes to the LookML file. Deploy the updated LookML to your Looker instance. Run the data tests using the Looker UI. Check the results of the tests in the Looker Explore section. If any tests fail, investigate the source of the issue. Modify the underlying data or adjust the test as necessary. Once all tests pass, document your verification process. Share your findings with relevant stakeholders. Regularly schedule these data tests to ensure ongoing data quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.